Keeping clients coming back is one of the biggest drivers of long-term growth for any business. And with Salonist Reward and Loyalty Points feature, you can turn every visit into a reason for clients to return. In this lesson, we'll show you how to set up loyalty points, reward repeat visits, and keep clients engaged with your business through a simple points-based incentive program. To get started, head over to Sales Tools, then select Reward Loyalty Points. This feature helps you create loyalty programs that encourage repeat purchases and stronger customer engagement by rewarding clients with points they can redeem later. Here, you can decide exactly where you want the reward system to apply. You can enable rewards points for products, packages, memberships, and services. Simply turn each option on or off depending on what fits your business best. Next, set your reward value and points ratio. For example, if you set a value of 10, the client earns 10 reward points based on purchases matching that value. Then, choose the minimum points eligible for redemption. This defines how many points clients need before they can start redeeming rewards. For example, setting the minimum to 2 points means clients can only redeem once they reach that threshold. Once your setup is complete, simply save your settings. Loyalty programs aren't just about giving discounts. They're about creating long-term relationships with your clients. Reward points help encourage repeat visits, increase engagement, and keep clients connected to your business. Now let's see how it works in action. Head over to Quick Sales and open a client profile. Here, you will immediately see the client's accumulated reward points. For example, this client currently has 2,639 reward points. When creating an invoice, you'll notice the reward option available during checkout. Clients can then redeem their point against services or products directly from here. This gives clients a reason to keep returning, engage more often with your business, and stay loyal over time. Because loyalty isn't only about discounts, it's about creating experiences clients want to come back for.